Today, we're going to do something a little different. We are going to unlock a huge, really fascinating concept just by looking at the story of one single everyday word. So let's dive right in. All right, the word we're zooming in on today is disgust. And as our source material defines it, it's that really strong dislike. You know the emotion you get when something is just off. It's dirty or not fit to eat, you get the idea. It's a really powerful gut-level feeling. And this example from the source, wow, and really paints a picture, doesn't it? You can almost smell it. That immediate physical reaction you're probably having right now, yeah, that is disgust. It's such a primal feeling, and the word just captures it perfectly. Now, here's another interesting little layer to this, the way the word sounds. Disgust sounds exactly the same as disgust. One is a feeling of, yuck, and the other is just about talking something over. It's a perfect little example of how English can be kind of tricky, which, believe it or not, sets the stage for what we're about to get into. Okay, so it's a strong word for a strong emotion. Got it. But, so what? Why are we dedicating this whole explainer to this one word? Well, this is where its hidden secret comes out. And here it is. This is the big reveal. The word disgust is part of a very, very exclusive club, the Basic English 850 list. Now, this isn't just some random list of words. It's the key to a whole different way of looking at language itself. So let's explore this very special list. Let's see how this one single word opens the door to this incredible project from the 1930s that was really designed to change how the entire world communicates. So what exactly is Basic English? Well, as you can see, it's what's known as a controlled language. It's a simplified version of English built on a super carefully chosen list of just 850 words. That's it. And our word disgust made the cut. And the ambition behind this was absolutely huge. The idea was to create a simple, clear tool for international communication. It was meant to be a shortcut for people trying to learn English. And, get this, a way to prove that you don't actually need a huge vocabulary to talk about really complex ideas. So now we get to the big question. How is that even possible? I mean, how can a tiny list of 850 words do the same job as the thousands of words a normal speaker uses? Well, the answer is all in its very clever design. You see, the secret sauce of Basic English isn't just the words themselves. It's how incredibly flexible they are. The whole system is designed to squeeze every last drop of meaning out of each and every word on that list. Let's go back to our word disgust. On the Basic English list, it's not just a noun, a thing that you feel. It's also a verb, an action that you can cause. And this double duty is absolutely key to the whole system. And this example shows that flexibility perfectly. See, here, the word is an action. Something is actively causing that feeling of disgust. It's the exact same root word, but it's doing a completely different job in the sentence. And it doesn't even stop there. Just by tacking on a few different endings, that one core word can turn into disgusts, disgusted, or disgusting. It can describe what someone does, how someone felt in the past, or what something is like right now. It's like one little root word blossoms into this whole family of ideas. This is the engine that makes Basic English run. Okay, so this is a really clever system from the 1930s. But you're probably wondering, what's the point for us right now? Why does this nearly 100-year-old idea about language still matter today? It's because the core lesson of Basic English is something that never, ever gets old. Clarity is timeless. The goal of sharing an idea in the simplest, most direct way possible, well, you could argue that's more important now in our noisy, complicated world than it ever was back then. So what are the big ideas to take away from our deep dive into the word disgust? First, that a small, well-chosen vocabulary can be incredibly powerful. Second, that when we focus on core words, our own communication gets a whole lot clearer. And finally, and this is a big one, simple language doesn't dumb down ideas. It makes them open and accessible to everyone. And that leaves us with one final thought, kind of a challenge for you. The creators of Basic English truly believed they could explain almost anything with their 850 words. So here's the question for you. What's a really complex idea that you understand well, and how would you even start to explain it using the simplest, clearest words possible? It's actually a pretty powerful exercise.